Kevin, and this is my bike check. And first, I got black Animal Edwin grips, nice and comfortable. I got Odyssey par ends in black. They don't pop out or rip apart and shit like the terrible barns that everyone else makes. I got premium whiskey bars. Whiskey. Premium. And I got an Animal black stem. I forget the model is. I got a black, I think it's Black Label or Vise headset. It's okay. It's better than ball bearings. That's why I'm using it. Then I got black stock diamondback forks. They're gay. I don't like them. Then I got a black Animal GLH tire, 2.25. And then I got this black diamondback stock rim, laced to a stock hub. And then I got a black steel peg. Nothing. Awesome. And then I got this Diamondback Session AM frame, 2011 or 12. I don't fucking know. It's faded. And I got Colony pedals. They're okay. And then I got black cranks, Diamondback, they're shit. Then I got this Diamondback sprocket, need a new one. Then I got a Cansey chain, it's okay. Then I got a stock bottom bracket, which is not very important. And then I got an amber seat, nice and comfortable, light as fuck. You need it. I got this black Diamondback seat post clamp shit. Well, seat post clamp is a seat post clamp. Oh shit! Yeah. But who cares? Then I got an Animal GLH tire, 2.10. Old as shit, need a new one. Then I got an Eastern Diode rim. And I have these spokes, no one cares, because they're shit. And I got this shitty Eastern Venus hub. And here's the sound. It's shit, but thanks for watching.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up.